these travels, tell my story, take me high and low.
Today the sun shines bright over Puerto Plata. The waves dance sweet like a rhythmic saga. Vendors set the stalls with colors aglow. People mix and mingle, feeling the flow. Morning calls, the city wakes. Breeze of the ocean, heart in the stakes. In Puerto Plata, where morning shine, every heartbeat sings like a perfect rhyme. Rise with the sun, let the spirit soar. This paradise buzzes, always wanting more. Crack of dawn, we rise with the heat. Tourists and locals, all in the street.
Hello from Puerto Plata. It looks like it's going to be a rainy day, but let's head out. We're going to do a food tour. Today's a great day for a journey.
No reason to shine. Colorful murals, stories untold. Dreams come alive as the day unfolds.
Well, it's time to head ashore. Let's head on out.
In Puerto Plata, where morning shine, every heartbeat sings like a perfect rhyme. Rise with the sun, let the spirit soar. This paradise buzzes, always wanting more. Puerto Plata days forever in my heart. Memories woven, never shall we part.
Here is where most of the excursions meet up before they leave. Well, let's start this food tour. Let's head out and jump on the bus.
Yo, we on the coast where the sun don't set. Cabins, real travels, you ain't seen nothing yet. 6 shots deep, feel the island vibe. In Puerto Plata, where the locals thrive. Rum alcoholics, pour it up. Last toast. 6 shots of rum, feel the rhythm flow. Gather in the crew, let the good times grow. In Puerto Plata,
We have made it to our first stop. We're starting off strong here at the rum factory.
we gon' party all night. Taking shots under palm trees, living that dream. Rum in my hand, yeah, we living supreme. The sound of the waves, mixing with the bass. Keller's got the crew, we own this place. Every sip.
Going to be your tour guide. You need to be ready because today you are going to try 6 different types of rum. Are you ready for 6?
Yeah.
Maybe 7. We don't know. Okay. So now, family, we are going to enter our engine warehouse. There is a little bit dark, so watch your step, please. You can take a picture here, but no flash, and you can just move there. Okay. So now, family, let's.
Brings a story. We just can't quit. 6 shots of rum, feel the rhythm flow. Keller and the crew.
And Barbara, so we have 3 different task levels: heavy, medium, and light. The longer you stay, the rum in the barrel have more flavor, color, and body. In the taste, you will see the difference of each one, right? So now, family, follow me.
Distillery in what is currently known as Boston, Massachusetts in 1661. In only a few years, the manufacture of rum became the largest, most prosperous industry in colonial New England.
Lord have mercy. The sea got them bang. We're live in the ship. Yeah, yeah. I dance. My heart dancing. Hooray! Where them drinks at?
Well, it looks like we're going to do a little bit of shot tasting with some of this rum flavor.
Hit me one time. I got my feet on the ground, feet on the ground. I got my feet on the ground, feet on the ground.
Let's take a quick look around so we can find out what else is here besides just rum.
Guys and girls are feeling that groove. Sipping on vodka, fire rolling. I'ma get behind that thing, girl. And hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Got my feet on the ground. Yes, sir, where them things at? Got my feet on the ground, feet on the ground. Drinks, 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 drinks. Where them things at? Hope you got good news, 'cause we're going to get it up. Everybody feels her feet around. And the red boy dancing to the juke on the laundry yodel.
Well, they ain't playing with these shots. These are strong.
Cause the step is in the building gone. Oh, roll round. And the feet on the ground. Mama, whoa, whoa. Got my feet on the ground, yeah.
Well, we headed out to our next stop to try out some food.
Where them drinks at? Feet on the ground. Huh. Kicking up some sand, kicking up some sand. Feet on the ground, kicking up some sand. Huh, wait a minute now. Where them drinks at? Where them drinks at? Where them drinks at? Hit me one time. Hit me two times. Oh, oh, I got my feet on the ground. Yeah.
These were a little bit too crunchy for me. Not a fan.
I got my feet on the ground. Now let me do it one more time. 1, 2, and hit me on the ground. Kicking up some sand.
Well, we're off to the Pink Alley.
Kicking up some sand. Wait a minute now. Where them drinks at? Where them drinks at? Friends at? Hit me one time. Hit me two times. Whoa, whoa. I got my feet on the ground. Oh, wait a while. Whoa, whoa. I got my feet on the ground.
Well, made it to the Umbrella Street. There's a lot of places to eat and pick up souvenirs here.
Where them drinks at? Where the feet on the ground? That drive.
Here is the center city of Puerto Plata.
Hey you! Yes, I'm talking to you. Let's help out Keller's Real Travels by liking this video, subscribing, and smashing that bell.
Still real, singing songs of the future and the past. When it's down, feel the rush, it's a thrilling vibe. Keller's on a journey, man, living for the ride. Through every station, every new find.
We made it to our last stop for food. Let's check it out the area first.
These travels tell my story, take me high and low. In every city and place, man, I grow and I glow. From the sea to the land, all these roads intertwine.
This was definitely good.
Unbroken, every line
And play cup to drink water. Now those you see the maracas, that they use the small size, and that's the one. And you see like the design they make on this for the ball. On this calabash, they have different sizes of those. Like this size, we have another size.
through the skies, lights bursting at the seams with the engine roaring loud. I'm reaching for the stars. Keller's got the vision, ain't no challenge too far. Every mile traveled helps me grow strong, strong, strong. These travels tell my story, take me high and low. In every city and place, man, I grow and I
Well, made it back to the port area. Let's check out what is here. Seems like there's pools, a lazy river, and a bunch of shopping areas.
So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. These travels tell my story, take me high and low. In every city and place, man, I grow and I glow. From the sea to the land, all these roads intertwine. Keller circle unbroken, every line is a sign. So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. So hop in, let's ride, let the journey unfold. With eyes wide open, we're forever bold. Oh, 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 oh.
It's time to hightail it back to the ship. Tonight's dinner is at the Tex Kitchen. It's definitely a unique experience, but I don't think I'll do it again.
6 shots deep, feel the island vibe. In Puerto Plata, where the locals thrive. Round the Corrix, pour it up. Last toast. 6 shots of rum, feel the rhythm flow. Gather in the crew, let the good times grow. In Puerto Plata, where the nights ignite with rum the chorus.
It's Scarlet Night. Let's hear from the diva herself.
Get a little curious. Dive in. It's all you tonight. I gotta change you. Trash. Wanna marry. The moonlight is all the cherry. Action. 'Cause you got what I had and I need it. You leave it. So give it your life like your marriage.
Thank you for watching Keller's Real Travels. Help him out by hitting the like button and also subscribing to the channel.